Morning mist over red earth crown. I wash my hands in the first light sound. Little bird, sing a broken song. I lift my eyes, but my heart not come. Jah Rastafari,
Hear my prayer,
hear my prayer.
here I now,
I am weary, I am small.
so small.
Give I strength to face this struggle when these chains still feel so tall. Jah Rastafari, guide my steps
Guide my way,
through the fire, through the storm. Teach I how to fight for freedom and still keep my spirit warm. Some say wait, some say walk away. I see children learn to bow and obey. Paper law on a cold stone desk, but the hunger talk the truth more blessed. Jah Rastafari,
hear my prayer,
hear my prayer.
here I now,
I am weary, I am small.
so small.
Give I strength to face this struggle when these chains still feel so tall. Jah Rastafari, guide my steps
Guide my way,
through the fire, through the storm. Teach I how to fight for freedom and still keep
my spirit warm.
Do you hear I when I doubt you? When my tongue can't find the words, I just breathe out broken questions. Hope they ride on the wings of the birds.
Carry them,
Jah Rastafari,
hear my cry,
hear my prayer.
here I now,
If I stumble, if I fall,
if I fall,
lift I up to face your sunrise. Though the night still builds its wall, Jah Rastafari, guide my step.
guide my way,
If this road feel long and rough, let your love be quiet courage when my faith don't feel enough. Jah Rastafari,
here I now, here I now,
lead I on.
lead I on, lead I on,
Though the answers stay untold,
lead I on, lead I on,
till my fearful heart grow bold. wash my hands in the first light sun. Little bird, sing a broken song. I lift my eyes, but my heart not calm. Jah Rastafari, hear my prayer.
Here I now,
I am weary, I am small.
so small.
Give I strength to face this struggle when these chains still feel so tight.
Rastafari,
Guide my steps
guide my way
through the fire, through the storm.
through the storm.
Teach I how to fight for freedom and still keep my spirit warm. Some say wait, some say walk away. I see children learn to bow and obey. Paper law on a cold stone desk, but the hunger talk the truth more blessed. Jah Rastafari, hear my prayer.
Here I now,
I am weary, I am small.
so small.
Give I strength to face this struggle when these chains still feel so tight.
Rastafari,
Guide my steps
guide my way
through the fire, through the storm.
through the storm.
Teach I how to fight for freedom and still keep my spirit warm. Do you hear I when I doubt you? When my tongue can't find the words, I just breathe out broken questions. Hope they ride on the wings of a bird.
Carry them, carry them.
Jah Rastafari, hear my prayer.
Here I now,
If I stumble, if I fall,
if I fall.
lift I up to face your sunrise, though the night still build its walls.
Rastafari,
Guide my steps
guide my way
if this road feel long and rough.
long and rough.
Let your love be quiet courage when my faith don't feel enough.
Rastafari,
Oh,
here I now,
Jah Rastafari,
hey now,
Jah Rastafari,
guide my way.
lead I on, lead I on. Though the answer stay untold, lead I on, lead I on, till my fearful heart grow bold. Morning mist on the hillside, steam rise from my cup. I've been thinking about the promises and the days that rough me up. I said, Jah, I am your little son. Still I stumble, still I stray. Sometimes your light feel far from me, but I talk to you anyway. Questions for Jah, I send them up slow.
Oh, Jah,
Like smoke from the cold when the breeze start blow.
so slow.
I don't always see I bring you all my doubting, all the fear I hide in shame. Say, Jah, if this road belonged to you, why it twist up just the same? Questions for Jah, I send them up slow.
Hey, Jah.
Like rain on the zinc in a soft night flow.
Soft flow.
I don't always see, but I still walk on.
I still walk on.
Trusting every step even when the map feel wrong.
When the map feel wrong.
Oh yeah. Oh. Sometimes you answer in silence, sometimes in a friend passing by, sometimes it's a line from an old time song that make water rise in my eyes. So I learned to rest in the asking, not rush to the end of the tale. If you hold in the roots of this big tree, then the shaking cannot make it fail. Questions for Jah, I send them up slow.
Oh, Jah.
Like a child in the dark saying, please don't go.
Don't go.
I don't always see, but I still walk on.
I still walk on.
Heart still unsure, but my feet still sing along.
My feet still sing along.
Oh, Jah. So I whisper,
Jah.
are you near me? And the breeze just kissed my face. No thunder, no bright writing, only this quiet place. I still got questions for Jah,
Questions for Jah.
and I lay them in your hand.
In your hand.
As the day fade down to embers, and I learn just where I stand. Morning mist on the hillside, steam rise from my cup. I've been thinking about the promises and the days that rough me up. I said, Jah, I am your little son. Still I stumble, still I stray. Sometimes your light feel far from me, but I talk to you anyway. Questions for Jah, I send them up slow.
Oh, Jah.
Like smoke send them up slow, like smoke from the cold when the breeze start blow. I don't always see, but I still walk on. I still walk on. Morning light on my window, steam rising from this cup, Bible open on the table, but some days it feels locked up. I've been walking, I've been wandering, heart heavy with these whys. Are you near me? Are you distant? I send the question to the sky. Far along the road, Jah, I will find you. Even when the way feels covered in cloud, covered in cloud. If my steps are slow, still I will walk through, trusting every turn, even walking in doubt, walking in doubt. Oh, oh, oh. Sometimes faith feels like a whisper, sometimes doubt, thunder roll. I'm standing right there in the middle, hands open, holding both. I don't always feel your answers, still I pray, still I confess. If you're quiet, I'll keep talking till your silence turns to rest. Far along the road, Jah, I will find you. Even when the way feels covered in cloud, covered in cloud. If my steps are slow, still I will walk through, trusting every turn, even walking in doubt, walking in doubt. Oh, oh. Yeah. Maybe the question is a doorway, maybe the waiting is a sign, maybe the darkness is a blanket while my eyes learn how to shine. So if I never get the reason, let me feel your breath instead. Guide me in the quiet breathing, write your peace inside my chest. Oh, Jah, far along the road, Jah, I will find you. Even when the way feels covered in cloud, covered in cloud. If my steps are slow, still I will walk through, holding every doubt, still singing it loud, singing it loud. So I walk on with my questions laid like stones beneath my feet. Every step a little prayer now, unanswered but complete. I've been wandering, heart heavy with these wires. Are you near me? Are you distant? I send the question to the sky, far along the road. Jah, I will find you, even when the way feels covered in cloud. If my steps are slow, still I will walk through, trusting every turn, even walking in doubt. Oh. Sometimes faith feels like a whisper, sometimes doubt, a thunder roll. I'm standing right there in the middle, hands open, holding both. I don't always feel your answers, still I pray, still I confess. If you're quiet, I'll keep talking till your silence turns to rest. Far along the road, Jah, I will find you, even when the way feels covered in cloud. If my steps are slow, still I will walk through, trusting every turn, even walking in doubt. Oh, walking in doubt. Maybe the question is the doorway, maybe the waiting is the sign, maybe the darkness is a blanket while my eyes learn how to shine. So if I never get the reason, let me feel your breath instead. Guide me in the quiet breathing, write your peace inside my chest. Oh, Jah, far along the road, Jah, I will find you, even when the way feels covered in cloud. If my steps are slow, still I will walk through, holding every doubt, still singing it loud, singing it loud. So I walk on with my questions laid like stones beneath my feet. Every step a little prayer now, unanswered but complete. Sunrise creeping through my curtain, same old chair, same quiet room. I've been asking the same one question, Jah, what you want me to do? Coffee cooling on the table, page in my Bible still turned, reading words I half remember, hoping one will start to burn. I say desert skies. Friends say, man, you must be certain. I just laugh and shake my head. Faith for me is open-handed, talking honest as I tread. I say, do you hear me? Yes, I do. They answer behind. I still stumble in the daytime, but you're still mine. They remind. If I can't read your writing on these walls of every day, I will lean into the question. Let the question be my prayer. Maybe truth is in the traveling, not the maps I used to draw. Maybe peace is in the asking, not the ending of it all. I'm here, the choir whispers. I'm here like falling rain. I breathe in that quiet calling, let it mingle with my pain. I say, will you hold me? Child, I do. They circle my name. I'm still searching for the answer. Keep on same way, same way. If I never find the language for the things my heart has seen, I will walk this road beside you, somewhere close and in between. Tender questions hanging, soft but strong. I don't know the final meaning, still I hum this simple song. Choir fades into the organ like a tide that comes and goes. I sit quiet with my wondering, far along the road. Curtain, same old chairs and quiet room. I've been asking the same one question, Jah, what you want me to do? Coffee cooling on the table, page in my blind was still turned. Reading words I half remember, hoping one will start to burn. I say, child, are you near it? Yes, I am. The choir runs low. I can't see where you're leading, but keep on, keep on. The echo, it's slow. If I can't trace your footsteps, I'll just walk this winding road, speaking softly into silence, trusting love I barely know. Some nights doubt feels like thunder rolling hard behind my eyes. I keep walking here on gravel when the half-answered skies when say, man, you must be certain. I just laugh and shake my head. Faith for me is open-handed, jogging honest as I tread. I say, child, do you hear me? Yes, I do. The answer behind. I still stumble in the daytime, but you're still mine. Lay remind if I can't read your writing on these walls of every day. I will lean into the question. Let the question be mine. Truth is in the travel, not the maps I used to draw. Maybe peace is in the asking, not the ending of it all. I'm here, the choir whispers. I'm here like falling rain. I breathe in that quiet call. Let it mingle with my pain. I say, will you hold me? Shall I do? They circle my name. I'm still searching for the answer. Keep on. Same way, like a flame. If I never find the language for the things my heart is seeing, I will walk this road beside you, somewhere close and in between. Even now the air feels tender, questions hanging soft but sure. I don't know the final meaning, still I hum this simple song. From faith into the order, like a tide that comes and goes. I see quiet with my wandering far along the road, far along the road. Morning light on a hillside, steam rising from my teeth. I've been reading these old pages, but some words still hide from me. So I walk out to the mango tree, bare feet in the cool brown land. Father, are you hearing me? I'm just a little man. I got questions about this life we try. Why you put us on this turning stone so far, so near to God? Are we here just to love each other, or to learn how to let go? I'm talking to you in the morning breeze. Broken someday, I know. Mama whispered, keep your courage. Elders say, just bow and pray. But the babies still go hungry, and good ones fade away. If your love ain't like the ocean wide, why the waves break hard like this? Is there a meaning in every tear? Or some things just exist? I got questions about this heavy road. Why some hearts carry mountains, some hearts carry a load? Are we here just to lift each other when the night feels cold and long? I'm talking to you in the rustling leaves, humming low like a song. Some days faith feel like fire, some days faith feel like smoke. One day I'm sure like sunrise, next day I stumble, choke. Still I bring my little questions, lay them down in your hand. If I never get every answer, please just help me stand. Help me stand. I got questions, but I know you hear my cry. If you made this wide and wondrous world, you can hold my ask in mind. Are we here just to walk beside you, even when we cannot see? I'm talking to you in the evening hush, asking what you asking of me. On the stars by the mango tree, crickets sing till the night feels full. I don't know why they're passing through, but I feel your quiet pull. So I'll breathe these prayers into the dark, leave them there in your care. Rest my head on this trembling heart, peaceful in the unanswered air. Oh, child, under stars by the mango tree. Morning light on the hillside, steam rising from my tea. I've been reading these old pages, but some words still hide from me. So I walk out to the mango tree, bare feet in the cool brown land, say, Father, are you here with me? I'm just just a little man. I got questions about this life we tried. Why you put us on this turning stone so far, so near to God? Are we here just to love each other? Or to learn how to let go? I'm talking to you in the morning breeze, hoping someday I'll know. Mama whisper, keep your courage. Elders say, just go and pray. But the babies still go hungry and good ones fade away. If your love big like the ocean wide, why the waves break hard like this? Is there a meaning in every tear? Or some things just exist? I got questions about this heavy road. Why some hearts carry mountains, some hearts carry a load? Are we here just to lift each other? When the night feels cold and long, I'm talking to you in the rustling leaves, humming low like a song. Some days faith feel like fire, some days faith feel like smoke. One day I'm sure like sunrise, next day I stumble, choke. Still I bring my little questions, lay them down in your hand. If I never get every answer, please just help me stand. I got questions, but I know you hear my cry. If you made this wide and wondrous world, you can hold my ask in mind. Are we here just to walk beside you? Even when we cannot see. I'm talking to you in the evening hush, asking what you're asking of me. Under stars by the mango tree, crickets sing till the night feels full. I don't know why we're passing through, but I feel your quiet pull. So I'll breathe these prayers into the dark, leave them there in your care. Rest my head on this trembling heart, peaceful in the unanswered air. Oh, Jah. Oh, Jah. I got questions. Early morning hush, steam on my tea. I open up my heart, you sitting here with me. I watch the sunlight crawl across the old red floor. Jah, when you shape this world, what were you looking for? I got questions for Jah, questions for Jah. Not to fight, just to know, just to know, just to know. Where did this bread come from? Where does this river flow? I got questions for Jah, and I bring them slow, I bring them slow. Some say they know it all, verse and chapter line, but in the quiet home, the silence feel divine. Was there a first small word before the stars did shine? Did you sit all alone, or were you always mine? I got questions for Jah, questions for Jah. Not to test, just to see, just to see, just to see. How did this clay wake up, start singing inside me? I got questions for Jah, and I let them be, I let them be. If I never get the answer, will you still hear my song? Hear my song. If my faith come like a whisper, still shaky, still not strong. Carry me, carry me. I got questions for Jah, questions for Jah. Like a child at your knee, at your knee, at your knee. Maybe the asking is, where you keep meeting me. Ooh, I got questions for Jah, questions for Jah. And I'm on my knees, just let it be. Evening breeze come down, curtains breathing slow. I rest my mind in the light, knowing glow. I still got questions, questions, yeah. But I'm walking on, I'm walking early morning hush, steam on my tea. I'm opening up my heart. You're sitting here with me. I watch the sunlight crawl across the ornate floor. When you shape this world, what were you looking for? I got questions for Jah. Slave ain't loaded all. Person, chapter, line. But in your quiet room, your silence feel divine. Was there a first small word before the stars did shine? Did you sit all alone, or were you always mine? I got questions for Jah, questions for Jah. Not to kiss, just to see, just to see, just to see. How did this clay wake up? Stars seem singing inside me. I got questions for Jah, questions for Jah, and I let them be. I let them be. If I never get the answer, will you still hear my soul? Hear my soul. If my faith come like a whisper, still shaking, still not strong. Carry me. I got questions for Jah, questions for Jah. Like a trying at your knee, catching me, catching me. Maybe the asking is where you lead me to me. I got questions for Jah, questions for Jah, and I'm on my knees. Just let it be. Evening breeze come down, cravings breathing slow. I raise my mind in the morning glow. I still got questions. But I'm walking on, walking on. Morning breeze on my window, little light on my face. I wake up with the same old question, carry it place to place. Why this heartbeat inside me? Why the stars so high? I whisper one word softly, send it up to the sky.
Jah Rastafari, hear my prayer.
I am small, but I am here.
Asking where this life begun.
On the moon, on the sun.
Jah Rastafari, hear my plea.
Show the root inside the seed.
If the answer never comes,
Let your
peace still cover me.
pages worn from my fingers, stories older than dust, voices arguing softly. What is true? What is trust? Some say, child, just believe it. Some say you're on your own. So I bring both faith and questions, lay them down at your throne.
Jah Rastafari.
Slow wind through the palm leaves, night birds over the hill. Questions curl around my spirit, but my heart grows still. I just breathe your holy name, let the doubts drift by. Rest my head upon this mystery and a quiet why.
Just breathe.
Kettle on, same old tin cup steam. I rise slow with the rust on my knees. Jah Rastafari whispered under my breath in the breeze. I pray to Jah Rastafari, are you hearing me today? Got a heart full of fire and a head full of doubt on the way. Oh Jah, give me strength to keep on trotting while they press me down so low. Trotting on, I pray to Jah Rastafari, still I just don't know. Street loud but my spirit quiet, bills pile like a silent riot. Mama say, child, just hold your king. But my question circle like a tire with a nail in the rim. How long can a small man stand so tall? Stand tall. If my faith feels thin, do you hold it proud? Are you walking by my side? Got my fists ever ready, but my fear I cannot hide. Hear me now. Give me courage to fight this system without turning stone to stone. Fight in love, I pray to Jah Rastafari, 'cause I can't do this alone. If I doubt you in the darkness, will you meet me in the grave? In the grave. If I stumble in the struggle, will you still call me your brave?
Oh Jah,
If my anger feel like thunder,
cool it to a steady rain.
sow the seed of liberation.
Find a little room again. I pray to Jah Rastafari,
Are you hearing every cry? Chains heavy on my people, but the dream's still lifting high. So give us wisdom in the chaos, make our bitter hearts grow kind, grow kind.
Jah Rastafari.
Still I'm searching in my mind, so I rise with the question saying, old or small, ever living flame
Jah Rastafari.
on my tongue so low.
Rastafari.
I don't have the answer, but I choose to go. Soft sun through the zinc roof seams, kettle hums, same old tin cup steam. I rise slow with the rust on my knees. Jah Rastafari whispered under my breath and the breeze. I pray to Jah Rastafari, are you hearing me today? Got a heart full of fire and a head full of doubt on the way. Oh Jah, give me strength to keep on trotting while they press me questions circle like a tire with a nail in the rim. Hold on. Can a small man stand so tall? Stand tall. If my faith feels thin, do you hold it all? I pray to Jah Rastafari. Are you walking by my side? Got my fists ever ready, but my fear I cannot hide. Hear me now, give me courage to fight this system without turning stone to stone.
Fight in love.
I pray to Jah Rastafari, cause I can't do this alone. If I doubt you in the darkness, will you meet me in the grave?
In the grave.
If I stumble in the struggle, will you still call me a brave?
Oh, Jah.
If my anger feel like thunder, cool it to a steady rain. So the seed of liberation find a little room again. I pray to Jah Rastafari. Are you hearing every cry? Chains heavy on my people, but the dream's still lifting high. So I give us wisdom in the chaos, make our bitter hearts grow kind. Grow kind. I pray to Jah Rastafari. Still I'm searching in my mind. So I rise with the question saying, hold a small, ever-living flame. Jah Rastafari on my tongue solo. Rastafari, I don't have the answers, but I choose to go. Smiling, I wash my hands in the cold pipe water. Ask my heart who I really follow. Dust on my feet from the old beaten lane. Bills in a bag and a head full of pain, but the breeze in the trees keep on whispering, same, call the name, call the name. So I pray to Jah Rastafari.
Soft in the morning light.
Show me a way through the fire.
Give me the will to fight.
Fight for the shackled and weary. Fight when I'm shaking inside. I pray to Jah Rastafari, but the answer, stay quiet in my mind. Stop about the days of struggle. Chains on the hand, paper on the muzzle. Say you stand firm. Truth after trouble. All who profit off another man's sorrow, but my knees feel weak when the soldiers passing, sirens sing, and my faith start asking, is there a plan just all grasping. Still I light one match, keep the candle flashing, yeah. So I pray to Jah Rastafari,
soften the heat of day.
give me the strength for the journey, yeah.
Show me a righteous way.
Way for the hungry and hopeless,
Way when I'm losing sight.
I pray to Jah Rastafari, but the answer
Hide quiet in the light.
hold on.
Hold on,
Hold on,
I'm trying.
stand strong,
Stand strong.
I'm crying, yeah.
Hold on,
Hold on,
I'm trying.
stand strong,
Stand strong.
I'm crying. Questions burn like coal in my chest. One love song still beating my breast. If I doubt today, can I still be blessed? I just rest my head on the big white silence. So I pray to Jah Rastafari,
Low when the night feels long.
cover the small and the mighty.
Teach us a freedom song.
Song for the wounded and watchful, song for the ones who hide. I pray to Jah Rastafari, and the answer just settle by my side. Stars come out, yard grow colder, little child sleep on my tired shoulder. Don't know all, but I know this feeling. Peace in the dark, and the question still breathing. Sun just climbing, steam from the pot, little you still smiling. I wash my hands in the cold pipe water, ask my heart who I really follow. Dust on my feet from the old beaten lane, bills in a bag and a head full of pain. But the breeze in the trees keep on whispering, saying, call the name, call the name. So I pray to Jah Rastafari, soft in the morning light, show me a way through the fire, give me the will to fight, fight for the shackled and weary, fight when I'm shaking inside. I pray to Jah Rastafari, but the answer stay quiet in my mind. chains on the hand, paper on the muzzle. Say you stand firm, truth after trouble. All who profit off another man's sorrow. But my knees feel weak when the soldiers passing. Sirens sing and my faith start asking, is there a plan or we just all grasping? Still I light one match and keep the candle flashing. So I pray to Jah Rastafari, soft in the heat of day. Give me the strength for the journey, show me a righteous way. Way for the hungry and hopeless, way when I'm losing sight. I pray to Jah Rastafari, but the answer hide quiet in the light. Hold on, I'm trying. I'm crying. Questions burn like coal in my chest. One love song still beating my breast. If I doubt today, can I still be blessed? I just rest my head on the big white silence. So I pray to Jah Rastafari, low when the night feels long. Cover the small and the mighty, teach us a freedom song. Song for the wounded and watchful, song for the ones who hide. I pray to Jah Rastafari, and the answer just settled by my side. Stars come out, yard grow colder. Little child sleep on my tired shoulder. I don't know all, but I know this feeling. Peace in the dark and a question still breathing.